Yo guys, so let's look at gold USD, and of course we are doing this analysis on trading view, and we have this thin yellow, this big yellow, this huge yellow line, which is also the major support where gold has actually been leaning on for some time. Now you can look at the price action here. You can look at the price action here. So we are looking at this chart on the 4 hour. So from 4 hour, let's go to 1 hour. Okay. So looking at the 1 hour time frame, look at what happened here. You remember that this huge yellow line has been holding, which has been serving as our support for some time. And look at what happened here. We had this channel, this descending channel that kept on these two red lines. That's the channel, and then eventually there was a breakout that occurred here, which is supported by the thinner yellow line. Okay, and at a time there was a breakdown. It broke down, it broke these supports, it broke this support. This is the support I'm talking about. Let me change the color to white. Okay, it broke this support, and then what happened next is that it started forming this channel, and right now we are seeing that there is actually a breakout here. There is currently a breakout. So gold actually broke out of this very channel. So the question now is, what next are we expecting? And now looking at this from as an analyst, you see that this is actually this is a flag. This is a bull flag, right? This, we have seen this flag here. And then what normally happens when we get a flag, what happens is that we normally get a breakout. But then you know that nothing is cast in stone. There is no guarantee that it will continue to go. So but from the rule of flag, so assuming this was to hold, assuming this breakout now is to hold, and we should be expecting a move. And what we should be expecting a move, okay, that should take us from here, from the point of breakout. Let me get this well. So trying to determine how far it will go, how far gold will go from this breakout now. So we should be expecting something like this. Okay, we should be expecting that gold will possibly get to 1988 or thereabouts. Okay, so we should be expecting something around 1988 or thereabouts. Okay, let me denote it with a horizontal line. Okay, we should be expecting something of this magnitude, but then there is no guarantee here. But what I'm actually looking at right now is how this price action reacts along this support, this big yellow line. Now this is actually the support, so I'm always interested in what happens. So whenever price comes back to this huge yellow line, this huge yellow line, that's the support. So whenever price comes down there, I'm always very conscious. I'm always very conscious to know whether it will hold, whether the support will hold, or whether it will break above or it will break lower than that. So that's actually what is happening. So even though I'm long, but because of how market has been lacking some volume, so to say. So whenever I see some leaning there, whenever I see price getting there, I'm always very conscious. So what I'm doing with my gold now is I'm actually scalping. So I've been on scalp, observing whatever happens whenever price comes to this support. I'm always checking whether it will break below it or it will reject it and start going up. But then, as we have said, that we've seen that this is a bull flag that has broken out. So in the case that this bull flag holds, this breakout holds, so we should be expecting gold to get to around 1980s or thereabout. So that's basically what I want to share with us this morning. See you soon.